If you have clicked to this video, there are chances that you have probably come through other videos on posture. But those videos didn't fix your posture because they lied to you. Today, we'll break down all myths to fixing posture and decode how can you actually gain better physical appearance, according to science. But first, let's know why is it so important. Is being straight like a wall actually a sign of a good health and appearance? To get the unfiltered answer, we have to look at the structure of the spine. You can see that the spine of a human is not actually straight. It has curves, brus. So trying to be straight is against the natural structure of your body. But it seems like the internet is mad telling you that your back has to be parallel to a straight line. This is funny. Another lie that you have been told is that you have to be straight while working or holding the damn phone. But let's be honest, when someone reminds you to make your shoulders and chest straight, you can quickly adapt that position, like you got taller in seconds. But if you can do that, why is there a problem to hold that? Well, there is some dangers as our body is so adaptive. If you force yourself to be on a bad position of your spine, it is done by the activation and relaxation of some muscles. If the wrong muscles are activated and trained, then it can be tighter, leading to bad appearance and asymmetries. But if it's not that acute, it can be beneficial too. No, not kidding. Experts say that it sometimes can help to concentrate more. But you can actually be safe by keeping your desk monitor in your eye level and keeping firm distance from it. But there is another thing that you have to emphasize, that is neck muscles. There are some neck muscles that hold your head with your body. If you constantly keep head in a hanged and downward position, it activates wrong muscles. If the muscles are tight, it will cause bad head position. Don't take it for granted, as your head can apply up to 20 pounds of pressure to your neck. It literally means holding a baby on your neck for all the time. Over time, it can be actually dangerous. So it is essential to keep neck straight, if not possible, always. Keep it straight when you remember to bounce from A. It's more logical to fix neck posture than spine. In most cases, the worst thing can happen to your spine is just making you butt little round like a duck. But it doesn't mean you have to do some exercises against the wall as if you are trying to be a Minecraft character. It has some serious problems too. Doctor of Physical Therapy, Dr. Sam Spinelli, says that always stretching your spine to make it appear straight can cause drying the synovial fluid in the spine. This hampers the flow of some hormones responsible for relaxation and calmness. Quote, "So stop pretending to be a health-conscious guy." Quote, "Now we have broken all the myths to posture." Quote, "Now let's talk about something that actually works." 1. Do something where you have to push you against your head. Sprinting is the perfect example. Try this, and I guarantee you will feel better. If your neck is too tight in the bad position, you can do cable face pulls and some functional neck exercises. 2. If your lower back is rounded, you can do ball stretches or exercises like hip lift of butt bridge. Again, if you have to sit for a long time, get yourself a comfortable ergonomic chair that mimics the actual shape of your spine, not the fancy gaming chairs that only fit straight bodies like Minecraft characters. 3. Decompress and relax your spine and muscles. You can simply do it by breathing slowly and progressively from your diaphragm. Inhale for 4 seconds and exhale in 6. Also, you can check out the Butico breathing method. Doing this should fix your posture and give you the shape you were meant to be in. If you got any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section and subscribe to Magnet Men for such scientific no BS tips. Meet you in the next video.